What's the meaning of continuing? Continuing. Continuing.
Continuing. Continuing. The term continuing refers to something that is ongoing or persistent. It implies that a particular activity, behavior, or state of affairs is not going to stop or change in the near future. This can refer to both positive and negative situations. For instance, a continuing effort towards a goal or objective symbolizes perseverance and hard work. On the other hand, continuing problems or issues indicate that there are no immediate solutions available. In essence, the term continuing suggests an enduring quality that carries on for an indefinite period of time.